Hey everybody, Dave Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper. It is raining today, but we are up here in Crystal Lake, Illinois. We're painting a townhome. We're painting everything almost. Walls, ceilings, trim, some doors. Cabinets are getting painted. We're not painting all the interior doors. We are painting, it's raining. And we're painting the baseboards, door frames, and then they were doing some remodeling, so we're just doing some drywall work. So let's go take a look at this house before we get started so you can see what it looks like beforehand. And we'll do a video afterwards so you can see what it looks like when we're all done. All right. All right, so here's the kitchen we are painting, getting rid of the blue. It's going, I can't remember, taupe or something like that white. So the blue will go away. Cabinets we're painting, the top color is actually 7005 and the bottom is, I think, Revere Pure. So it'll be a two-tone cabinet painting, and then ceilings are getting painted, walls are getting painted. And then in the living room, we're painting ceilings and walls also. So there you go, that's what we are taking care of in the house. If you have questions on how we can help you with your painting, please let us know. And we'll give you some after pictures as we go. Master bedroom, as blue is going agreeable gray. There's a little bit of wall work, not a ton, but wall, ceiling trim, and then that rack is coming off, being patched, and the homeowner will fix that later. All right, for this hallway stairwell, which goes from the second floor, first floor, stairwell to the basement and out the garage. We're painting walls, trim, and then Jose, as we were doing our walkthrough, we saw that crack. Didn't see it when we did the estimate a couple months ago, so it could be new, could have been different humidity. We didn't see it, but we'll be fixing that, and then painting everything that's on here. All right, for the son's bedroom, we are painting everything in here, wall, ceiling, trim, and then they had painted this stuff on there when kids are younger. It's stencils, but it's got that heavier, probably won't come across on the camera, but it's got the heavy stipple. So we're gonna power sand to get this off, prime those areas, and then paint all of this. They're going an off-white, taupe white, so I'm not sure if it'll cover in two, but we'll see how it goes. All right, first thing we're working on is fixing that ceiling crack, and then down there, they're gonna remodel this bathroom, but for us painting-wise, we're gonna fix that. We're just gonna put oil primer on that whole area, and oil primer around that, because it's been a couple recurring issues. That way when they go to paint it, it'll be good to go.